Good evening. Okay, this is a video that will guide you on how to get started with TradingView. So this is my app, and here is TradingView. So I just click the app, so it launch, and now it starts from watch list. Then you have chart, explore, ideas, and menu. For today, we'll just be focusing on watch list and charts. Okay, so the watch lists are different currency pairs or financial instruments. Like you can see, we have indices, we have stocks. Let's scroll down. You have futures, you have forex, and then you have crypto. Okay, so these are various financial instruments, and you can use any of the financial instruments for analysis or whatever you want to do. But for here, I want to work with futures for this explanation. So I wish to work with gold. So let's say gold. What I simply do is that I tap gold, then I click on this part. So you see I've been able to launch the charts. Okay, and this is what is showing me. Okay, so go it. Okay, now if I didn't want to go through this process, let me go back to the watch list again. So I can go back to the watch list and simply go to charts. I don't know if you get, but if I want to change the currency pair or financial instrument, I can go back to watch list again and then choose maybe another one. Let's say Euro USD or US JPY, any one of my choice. I don't know if you get that. Will change it. So let's do that. You see, now I have US slash Japanese yen, and the chart is now different. So but because I want to explain with gold, let me go back to gold. So this is gold. I will launch the chart. Okay, so from this point, now remember, if you compress this, if you should work on this place with your two fingers or your two nails, you see that the graph will be compressed. Then if you take it up, you can open it up, you can expand it. Then on this other end, you can use your two fingers again to hold it, to expand it. This is for the expansion. Okay, so that's just how you play with this. Now this background is dark, and maybe I'm not comfortable with it, so I want to change this background from a dark background to a white background. I'll come down here at this point where you have something like will I say hexagon? Yes, maybe a hexagon also. Okay, I click it, then I'll go down, go to settings, click settings. So now I'm in settings. It brought me to scales and line. That's not what I want to do. I'll just click this button, go back. So you see now I have symbols, I have status line, scales and lines, canvas, and all that. I want to start from, okay, canvas is for the background, but let me start from symbol. So on symbol, you see this green, everything about this green is for the up close candle, or for the will I say the candle talk about bullish trend. So I want to change all the red candles to what's it called, to black. So let's start from the body. Now the body of this red candle, now I can change and choose black. So I choose black. The opacity is already 100, so you see it's now black. Let's still go back. So let me finish everything before viewing the page again. So you see it's already changing. So back to lines and scale, I'll go back, go to symbol, then change this place again to black. So that's it. I'll tap aside, click here again, oh, change it to black, then tap aside. See, everything now is now black. Then the time, I want to choose New York time. So this is New York time. Make sure you choose New York time. Okay, and that is it. So we are done with that one. I click OK. You see, I can't see the black once again because the background is black. But what I simply do, okay, just a moment, I go back to this place again, go to settings, go back, and then click canvas this time around. So the canvas, I want solid, not gradient. So solid, I will now choose white, a white background. Okay, so now I've chosen the white background. I can now click this. Wow, so we have this now. Now under this graph, in most of them there's something like, usually like a volume under it. There's not like a volume under it, but let me check if I can find another financial instrument where I can do that. But hope you saw how I was able to work on this. So let's go back to maybe let's say futures, use soil. So use soil, let me launch the chart and see. Okay, so that's just it. But then there's something I want to actually change. Let me go back. So if you want to actually go back, you can just a moment. So we'll do this together. You can actually set your system to go back to default. Once you set it back to default, I think everything goes back to the way it was before. So I think settings, then go back here. Then I'm just looking for the point where you apply default. Exactly. So once you go to this setting, you are back to this chart settings. Come to this three dots, and then you click apply apply default. So once you say okay, you see you are back to what we used to have before. Okay, so which was black and the black background and all that. So I believe this makes sense to us, but there's something I actually want to figure out. There's something like a volume. Just a moment. I believe hopefully I will fix that in a moment. Okay, let me not make this video so lengthy. So back to watch list. Maybe let me use under financial pair. Exactly. So I think I found what I want. So going back to this place now, I want to change the background and everything at once now. So remember, it brings you to scale and line. Go back, then go to the symbol, change everything here to black. Click outside. Please just try to follow. Click outside. Then I can go back and then come to canvas, change canvas to solid. From the solid, I don't want black, I will choose white. So you see, clicking OK brings me here. You see, so you can expand it to see this thing very well. Then I can drag this. Okay, and that is it. How to get started. Then for this volume, this part of it now, you see this stuff here now. See, I tapped it, something came out here. I can just click this three button here and go down and say remove, and I'm done with it. You see, I've removed it so that you can have a very clean and clear chart. So you can still increase it if you want it to become long, widen this place, and we are just done. So it's not something difficult.